I'm going to demonstrate how to bring in grades that I already have in Google Classroom. I already assume that your gradebook is linked to your Google Classroom, your Rediker gradebook, and it would say unlink account if it is properly linked. You don't want to change that. And then you want to add a column, which means you're adding an assignment. I could fill this whole thing in like we usually do in Gradebook, or I could just link it to a classroom assignment. I have in this case, one classroom assignment that I want to bring into Gradebook. I select it. You may have more. I'm selecting one. I click link. You sure you want to do that? I say yes. And it already fills in everything. I actually don't like this to be there. That's the comments I had. I want to change this to a quiz. It's out of 100. It was given today. And I just click create column and it brings it in. I have not graded this assignment yet, but had I graded it, it would have brought all the grades here from that assignment. If I changed it in Google Classroom, I could then click here and it would update the grades. Okay, that's it. So if I would go now to that Google Classroom and I put a grade into that assignment. Here we go, great, and I give her 100 and I return it. I have to return it in Google Classroom. Then I will notice that in my Google Classroom, in my workbook, my gradebook, if I refresh it, that 100 is now here. I can maybe edit it here. Not supposed to. I'm only supposed to edit it in Gradebook and then refresh it by clicking this green thing. I hope that helps.